Hey everyone, ever felt like you're stuck in the same routine, like your life isn't moving forward? What if I told you that just a few simple habits could completely change your life? Today, I'm going to share 12 life-changing habits that, if you start practicing today, will take your life to the next level. Stay with me until the end, because habit number 12 is the most powerful one, and it's the secret that highly successful people swear by. Habit number 1, waking up early. Successful people have one thing in common: they wake up early. Why? Because the early morning hours are the most productive. It's quiet, distraction-free, and gives you time to focus on your goals before the world wakes up. Habit number 2, daily gratitude. Every morning, take just 2 minutes to write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude rewires your brain for happiness and success. Instead of focusing on what's missing, you start seeing opportunities everywhere. Habit number 3, exercising every day. Your body is your powerhouse. Even 15-30 minutes of exercise daily can boost your energy, confidence, and mental clarity. You don't need a gym, just move your body. Habit number 4, reading every day. Leaders are readers. Just 10 pages a day can expose you to new ideas, new perspectives, and knowledge that can transform your life. Habit number 5, planning your day the night before. Success doesn't happen by accident. Take 5 minutes every night to plan your next day. When you wake up, you'll know exactly what to do instead of wasting time figuring it out. Habit number 6, learning to say no. Your time is your most valuable asset. Stop saying yes to things that don't align with your goals. Saying no to distractions means saying yes to your dreams. Habit number 7, surrounding yourself with positive people. Your environment shapes you. If you surround yourself with negative, unmotivated people, they will pull you down. Instead, spend time with those who inspire and challenge you to be better. Habit number 8, limiting social media and screen time. Social media is designed to steal your attention. Set time limits and use that extra time to work on your goals, read, or learn something new. Habit number 9, practicing self-discipline. Discipline is the bridge between goals and success. The ability to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it, will change your life. Habit number 10, investing in yourself. Your income and success will never outgrow your personal development. Take courses, read books, and keep learning. The more you grow, the more opportunities you create. Habit number 11, taking action immediately. Overthinking kills dreams. If you have an idea, act on it now. Even small steps daily will build momentum and take you closer to your goals. Habit number 12, never giving up. Every successful person has faced failures, but what separates them from the rest? They never gave up. If you fall, get back up. Keep going. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. These 12 habits may seem small, but together, they will completely transform your life. Which habit are you going to start today? Comment below, and let's take this journey together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life-changing content. See you in the next video.